Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code. Now start the terminal. Open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Toggle Integrated Terminal to reveal it. If the terminal stays hidden, use Ctrl plus as a shortcut. Make sure your preferred shell is installed and accessible. You'll provide its executable path if VS Code doesn't auto-detect. Once visible, focus the terminal pane so subsequent settings apply to this session. You're ready to change shell preferences in Settings next. You'll now set the default terminal profile. Open Command Palette and run Terminal. Select Default Profile, then pick your shell from the list. If absent, choose the custom option and paste the shell executable path. Make sure to restart the integrated terminal, use the trash icon to kill and then reopen to apply changes. Check the shell prompt and run a version command, like version, to verify. If you have workspace-specific needs, apply the change in vscode/settings, JSON for project scope. You can refine behavior by editing settings. JSON directly, modify terminal. Integrated, profiles, asterisk to add profiles and terminal. Integrated, default profile, asterisk to set defaults. Configure environment variables with terminal. Integrated, env, asterisk and pass startup arguments via profiles to customize login behavior. Once done, make sure to reload the window if changes seem ignored. If the terminal fails to start, check the Developer Tools console for errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.